Welcome back to Chrome and Coffee, car fans. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more of the best of the auto world. Did you know your car might be hiding secret features you've never used? From hidden compartments to jaw-dropping safety innovations, today we're going to uncover the secret car features that many everyday drivers don't know about. Some of these hidden gems might be sitting right under your nose, so let's get going. Number 1. Hidden Fuel Cap Holder. Let's start with something practical. Have you ever fumbled with your gas cap while getting gas, letting it dangle awkwardly? Many cars have a simple solution you never noticed. A built-in fuel cap holder. Usually located on the inside of the fuel door, this tiny slot or hook keeps the cap out of the way while you fill up. It prevents unnecessary scratches on your car's paint and also stops the gas cap from getting dirty. The next time you stop at the gas station, check your fuel door. You might be surprised at what you find. Some manufacturers, like Toyota and Honda, have been including this feature for years, yet many drivers overlook it. Number 2. The dead pedal. Ever wondered what that extra footrest in your car is for? That's called a dead pedal, and it's not just for comfort. It actually helps stabilize your posture while driving, reducing fatigue on long trips. Race car drivers even use it for balance during high-speed cornering. If you've never noticed it before, you're missing out on an easy way to improve your driving experience. By properly using the dead pedal, you can reduce strain on your legs, maintain better posture, and even improve your reaction time on the road. Some performance cars even have textured dead pedals to create extra grip during aggressive driving. Number 3. Secret key slot in push-start cars. If you drive a car with a push-start button, you might think you're out of luck if your key fob battery dies. But here's the secret. Most push-start cars still have a hidden key slot. It's often located under the push-start button or disguised somewhere near the steering column. In some models, you may need to hold the key fob near a specific sensor in the car to start the engine manually. It's always a good idea to check your owner's manual so you're not caught off guard when your key fob runs out of power. Some high-end vehicles even allow you to use a smartphone app to unlock and start the car in case of a key fob emergency. Number 4. Built-in sunglasses holder. You don't need to dig around in your glove box for your shades anymore. Many cars have a built-in sunglasses holder in the overhead console near the interior lights. Some people never notice it's there, but once you find it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. This compartment is often padded to protect your glasses from scratches and damage, making it a convenient and safe place to store them while driving. Some luxury cars even offer dedicated cooling compartments for sunglasses to prevent them from overheating in hot weather. Number 5. Rear seat ski hatch. If you drive a sedan, your car might have a hidden ski pass-through in the rear seats. This allows you to transport long items like skis, fishing poles, or even lumber without folding down the entire back seat. It's a feature found in many vehicles, yet most owners never realize it exists. Some models even include a built-in armrest that doubles as the hatch door, allowing for easy access to the trunk while still keeping the rear seats functional. Vehicles like the BMW 3 Series and Audi A4 have had this feature for years, yet many drivers don't know about it. Number 6. The gas tank arrow. Ever pulled into a gas station and forgotten which side your fuel door is on? Many cars have a simple fix for this. There's a tiny arrow next to the gas gauge on the dashboard. This arrow points to the side where your fuel cap is located. No more guessing or awkward repositioning at the pump. It's one of the simplest yet most overlooked convenience features in modern cars. This small but useful trick is found in almost every car, from economy models to luxury sedans, yet most drivers often fail to notice it. Number 7. Hidden storage under seats. Some cars come with hidden compartments under the seats, perfect for storing valuables or emergency supplies. These storage spaces are common in trucks, SUVs, and minivans, yet many owners never think to check beneath their seats. Some models even have lockable under-seat compartments, making them a great place to hide important documents or expensive gadgets. In trucks like the Ford F-150, you'll find under-seat storage specifically designed for tools and gear, ensuring that nothing rolls around the cabin. Number 8. Auto down and auto up windows. Most modern cars have an auto down window feature, but did you know some vehicles also have auto up functionality? Simply pull the window switch all the way up and release it. Your window might roll up on its own. Some even let you roll down all windows remotely using the key fob, which is great for cooling down your car before you get in. This feature is especially useful on hot summer days when you need to quickly ventilate the cabin before stepping inside. Certain BMW and Mercedes-Benz models allow you to close all windows and the sunroof with just the press of a button. Number 9. The Secret Panic feature. You know that panic button on your key fob? It's not just for emergencies. Some car brands allow you to hold the panic button for an extended time to activate hidden functions, like unlocking all doors or rolling down windows. Check your owner's manual. You might have more fob tricks than you think. In some cases, holding down the panic button can even trigger a silent alarm that alerts authorities without making noise. This can be a valuable safety feature in high-risk situations. Number 10. Airplane-style storage hooks. Ever notice a small hook near the back seat grab handles? It's not just a random design choice, and it's actually a coat or bag hook, similar to what you'd find on an airplane. These are perfect for keeping your jacket wrinkle-free or hanging up grocery bags so they don't spill all over the floor. These hooks are a simple yet incredibly useful feature that can keep your car organized. Some vehicles even have retractable hooks in the trunk to secure grocery bags and prevent items from shifting during transit. Number 11. Cooled glove box. Some luxury and mid-range cars come with a cooled glove box. Yes, a mini fridge for your car. If your vehicle has an adjustable air vent inside the glove compartment, you can direct cold air from the AC to keep drinks or snacks chilled while you drive. This is an especially great feature for long road trips or hot climates, where keeping beverages cool is a necessity. In high-end models like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the cooled glove box is part of a larger comfort package that includes climate-controlled cup holders. Number 12. Built-in grocery bag hooks. Many SUVs and hatchbacks come with hidden hooks in the trunk area to keep grocery bags from tipping over. Some of these hooks are tucked inside compartments or blend into the interior design, so unless you look closely, you might never notice them. They help prevent spills and keep your groceries organized while driving. Number 13. Windshield defroster grid. Most people know about rear window defrosters, but did you know some cars have a heated windshield grid as well? These super thin, nearly invisible wires embedded in the glass help clear up frost and fog quickly, making winter driving much easier. Some high-end models even include heated side mirrors to further improve visibility in cold weather. Number 14. Child lock for windows and doors. Sure, you know about the basic child locks, but some cars have advanced child lock settings that disable certain doors or windows individually. Check your settings for these because you might have more control over your car than you realize. Number 15. Rain-sensing wipers. If your car has automatic wipers, there's a good chance they can actually detect rain and adjust their speed accordingly. This is a feature on newer cars, but it helps during storms. There you have it. The 15 secret car features that most everyday drivers don't know about. Let us know in the comments which one surprised you the most. Thanks for watching Chrome and Coffee, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.